Why do these valves leak and why do they fail? I'm going to show you quick and how to replace or repair it. So before I get into it, look at this solder joint that someone laid on this. They must have been having water problems. So the first thing you want to do if you want to repair it, or in this video I'm going to show you why they leak, is get this nut off. They can be troublesome. I've already pre-loosened this one just for the video. But I'll get this nut off here. And there's really only 3 parts that you need to know to figure out why it's leaking. So you can see on the bottom here, there's a flat gasket, or a flat washer it's called. And that flat washer plays a crucial part in this. Now the next crucial part is the seat, which is inside. The seat is what seats the gasket or flat washer. If you have any nick in that seat, it just will not hold. And what it'll do, even if you do get it to hold once, it's just going to tear that flat washer apart, and eventually it's just not going to hold water anymore. So now the real problem that we showed at the start of the video, why do they pour out the front of the handle like that? Very common with this style of valve. So if you back the nut up, what you'll see is located under the stem is an O-ring. And this is what holds the water back when you open and close the faucet. Very cheap to repair. We used to replace these gaskets all the time in these. Nowadays though, you just change the whole cartridge. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped.